Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is like the third video on this. But I started thinking a lot of people might not know that you can have, because I did this with the contour tool and I did one step. Let's go 0.015 twice. And that's a pretty little contour, but I'm going to show you what you could do. Now take your smart fill. Well, you really should break this apart. So select it all and go up to Object and break the contour apart. And I'm only going to do like the first few letters to save you time. I want to make the contour, the main letter in black. And then I'm going to do the other color. So you could have two different, and printers kind of have more freedom with printing. And if I forget, you would really want to, and those white lines are just ghost, because once you zoom in and out, they're gone. And then take one more color. But printers could have multiple colors, where engravers, we're kind of stuck with grays and blacks, and then take that color and make it green. So you could have, I missed the yellow down there. So let's go back to Smart Fill tool, pick that yellow, and do that one right there. Anyway, kind of a cool effect. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.